Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to set a reminder to take a break from TikTok. Taking regular breaks from screen time is essential for maintaining a healthy balance. Let's dive right into the steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. From the bottom drawer, tap on Profile to access your TikTok profile. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on them to open the menu options. Step 4. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy to access the settings and privacy options. Step 5. Look for and tap on Screen Time within the Settings and Privacy menu. Step 6. Within the Screen Time settings, tap on Screen Time Breaks. Here, you can select the preferred duration for your break reminders. By setting a reminder to take a break from TikTok, you'll receive notifications at your chosen intervals, reminding you to step away from the screen and take some time for yourself. Remember, taking breaks is important for your well-being and can help you maintain a healthy relationship with technology. Thank you for watching and enjoy your well-balanced TikTok experience.